let's check that nasty and Sastii. Mark, wait, sound, my check sound also good. Let me check the sound chat real quick. Let me check the sound. Wait, sound, my oh, good. Oh, super, fantastic. Uthini uNesty C?
One day, teaching an oral healthcare class,
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck about a boy who kept doing whatnot. I don't give a fuck. Hey, hello, Sarah Harris. Hello, Sarah Harris. I appreciate the follow, Sarah Harris. Just press follow there. I appreciate the follow. I appreciate it if you could just. How old I am? It depends. How? Why you ask? It depends. It depends. How old should I be? How old do you want me to be? How old do you want me to be, Sarah? It depends. Hit a follow there. Hit a follow. So I appreciate it. I just started my kick journey, so I appreciate if you hit a follow there. Hit a follow. You don't have to do much. You know, I'm still growing my numbers. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for coming through. You know how I'm saying. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate you, Sarah. I'm old enough, bruh. Let's go. All right.
Why niggas mad cause bitches loving on his pretty face? Why niggas mad cause I don't even get these hoes a chase? I ran up from the bag to put my rocks up in the safe. I never understand how you ain't getting paid. I be hiding from the fans in the city, MIA. I'm more than an emoji, that's a big hero late. Riding in the band and I'm sipping Chardonnay. Maybe not too early, but I saw no what I lay. No wrong hand, it's my feet or what you bait. She a bad bitch, we gon' take her to the bay. Teeth shining, but that lady better what you say. Ain't got time to play the sharper single Marvin Gaye.
Hey.
Send my gate 10, they know me back in section 8.
I didn't know Sastii can get into such a bag. I don't wanna lie. No, I did not know.
I mean, all this heat, she be 80 Fahrenheit. Get this bitch a mile and now she ice and sand. Everything on rock, top tier, tell me.
Are you another artist like MT Leah? It has to be that artist. Isn't that MT's artist, chat? It has to be.
Niggas mad cause bitches loving on his pretty face. Why niggas mad cause I don't even get this hoes a chase. I ran up from the bag to put my rocks up in the safe. I never understand how you ain't getting paid.
I did not know this bro can go into this bag. I had no idea.
Hiding from the fans in the city, MIA. I'm more than an emoji, that's a big hero late. Riding in the band and I'm sipping Chardonnay.
Nice.
Maybe not too early, but I saw no what I lay. You cannot get in my section, go deep my face on gap.
Okay, Sizzla, I see you. So he finally tapped into that bag of Zulu English. Cause he's been like Emaneveza there and there, but he actually finally tapped in.
I fly out the country, taking out could be some jack. If I rock a chain them deep, she said I love.
If ever you were flying out of the country, oh my god, bro. These people, bro. Oh.
Good on camera, spotting, I see that I need. I got no ears for pajamas, sparking up.
Spanning at him, I have no use for pajamas.
I go blind, watch my problems fall away. I go MIA when I feel far from great. When I needed help, niggas look the other way. Shit on all your haters, that's a message of the day. Why niggas mad cause bitches loving on his pretty face? Why niggas mad cause I don't even get this hoes a chase? I ran up from the bag to put my rocks up in the safe. I never understand how you ain't getting paid. I be hiding from the fans in the city, MIA. I'm more than an emoji, that's a big hero late. Riding in the band and I'm sipping Chardonnay. Maybe not too early, but I saw no what I lay. I took a long kick out, put the channel for the bring the be back. Cause I'm talking about the catalog, that nigga Mike J, I really pick that. It's like that nigga, give body, go shoot, put up, push, find out where we at. That bitch say she
Nigga, we not too early, no, but sunny, no, but late. I like that. I like that. I like the second verse. Washa Jonathan, hit the follow button. He was good, my guy. What's good, my guy? You tell me. You tell me what's going on, chat. You.